Are you looking for how to fix WhatsApp not installing problem or WhatsApp cannot install problem from Play Store? In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp not installing problem or WhatsApp not install problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps or application management. Now search for WhatsApp. Now search for Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Tap on force stop. Now tap on three dot menu. Now uninstall updates. Okay. Now search for Google Play service. Tap on Google Play service. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Now restart your phone. Now tap on restart. Again restart. Now open Play Store. Now search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Tap on install. Wait for complete the install process. Now I hope that this method fix WhatsApp not installing problem or WhatsApp cannot install from Play Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our Skype.